Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Gemini, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see what's the messages for you, Gemini. What's the message? Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, Queen of Pentacles. Wow, the Emperor. I think you stand by your power and you holding your coin. And Ace of Swords. Yes, truth coming out. Definitely you stand by your power. You are very honest. So let's see some more messages. You are in Emperor mode right now. The Hermit. Why the Hermit? You are spiritually awakening, Gemini. King of Cups, Seven of Swords. So I think your person may be playing some manipulation games, some miscommunication. That's why the truth coming here. And Hermit, you are spiritually awakening your in this connection, and you are not taking any action. You stand by your power. The Lovers. Why the Lovers? Nine of Pentacles. Yes, you stand by your power. You are independent emotionally also. Three of Wands. Yes, waiting for the right moment. Under the deck is King of Swords. Yes, you cut them off because miscommunication, because they are lying. Due to some reasons they are lying, but the Lovers is here, Gemini. You or your person could be. For some there is new love coming. Ace of Swords. Three of Wands. Waiting. Page of Pentacles. Yes, they want to communicate you. Sorry, one card. Yeah, another communication card. Eight of Wands. Yes, they want to communication. You are going to receive communication from your person. See here, Knight of Cups. Yes, they want to offer this cup of love to you, but it is coming. It is slow but stable. Yes, they want to apologize you for what they did to you, but you stand by your power. You are waiting for the right moment, not taking any decision in rush, because Ace of Swords, truth coming out. You stand by your power now. So Ten of Pentacles under the deck. You want stability. So let's see your person energy, Gemini. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. All sense. Creativity, Emperor. The Empress and the Emperor. Powerful couple. Control. Yes, King of Swords. There are some controlling issues between both of you. We are the world. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, you want the stability, and your person now ready to offer the stability to you. And Witness, Nine of Pentacles. They also want to stand by their power and consciousness. They are awakening. They are spiritually awakening in this connection, and they want to communicate clearly, straightforwardly. The control means King of Swords. They want to offer this commitment to you, Ten of Pentacles. So it's up to you to accept the offer or not, but you are taking time because Three of Wands is here. Even they are communicating, you are taking your time this time, Gemini. I am getting. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.